Feeling stuck in a 9 to 5? Here's how you can find your dream side hustle you can do remotely. You're tired of the daily grind, wishing you had more control over your work and income. Wouldn't it be amazing to have a side hustle you love that fits your skills and let you work from anywhere, anytime? Today's video is your solution. We'll explore 6 awesome remote side hustles, but before we dive in, I want to help you find the perfect fit for you using just 3 simple criteria. We'll uncover the side hustle that unlocks your potential and brings you the freedom you crave. The first one is passion. What do you love doing? The second one is skills. What are you really good at? And the third is market. What will people actually pay good money for? Sure, the money is important, but here's the thing: you don't enjoy what you're doing or you don't have a knack for it. You're likely to hit a wall. You might get bored or frustrated, and that's going to stop you from making serious cash. So let's find that sweet spot where passion, skill, and market demand meet. What's going on, guys? I'm Lorna Recommend. Welcome back to my channel where we dive into all things money. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help your girl's channel grow. All right, let's look into the first remote side hustle, which is writing, specifically direct response copywriting. This isn't just any type of writing. Direct response copywriting is a targeted type of writing that businesses use to get customers to take specific action. If you ever bought something online or signed up for a free newsletter, chances are you were influenced by the words of a direct response copywriter. These writers craft persuasive messages that drive you to act, whether it's making a purchase or subscribing to something. Now, let's go back to our criteria. Is this something people will pay for? Absolutely. Businesses are always looking for ways to boost sales and conversions. The work of a direct response copywriter is crucial because it directly impacts a company's revenue, making this skill highly valuable. Companies are willing to pay top dollars for exceptional copywriting, and the earning potential is sky high.
For instance, a copywriter might be on a monthly retainer for $2,000 working just 20 hours a week. That's $100 an hour. Alternatively, you could take on short-term projects and earn anything from $8,000 to $100,000 for a project spanning 3 months. To succeed as a direct response copywriter, you need to have strong writing skills. Start by setting up profiles on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to attract clients. With dedication and the right approach, you can turn this into a lucrative side hustle. Side hustle number 2 is becoming a virtual assistant. Looking for a flexible, in-demand side hustle? Then consider becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are remote professionals who provide essential technical, operational, administrative, and creative support to businesses. In today's fast-paced, tech-driven world, the need for virtual assistants is booming. Virtual assistants are in demand because of technology. With these businesses establishing an online presence, the demand for tech-savvy support staff has never been higher. They increasingly rely on VAs to manage tasks and maintain efficiency. If you're detailed oriented, a good communicator, and possess strong organizational skills, this role could be the perfect role for you. Quick problem solving abilities will also set you apart, making you an invaluable asset to any team. Virtual assistants can earn up to $60 an hour, making this a lucrative side hustle. One of the exciting aspects of being a VA is the ability to specialize. Here are some niches you can consider. Social media management, help businesses grow their online presence and engage with their audience. Marketing support, assistance with marketing campaigns, email marketing, and content creation. Administrative tasks, handle routine tasks like scheduling, email, management, and data entry. Executive assistant, offer high level support by managing travel arrangements and communications for busy executives. So, here's how to get started. Firstly, identify your strengths and interests to determine the type of virtual assistant you want to be. Whether you prefer managing social media accounts or handling executive schedules, there's a niche for you. Becoming a virtual assistant not only offers a flexible work schedule, but also allows you to leverage your skills in a growing market. So, if you're ready to take on a dynamic and rewarding side hustle, this might be the perfect fit for you. Our next side hustle is becoming a content creator. If you're passionate about creating and sharing, becoming a content creator could be your next great side hustle. Content creators pick a platform, be it podcast, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, and produce engaging videos, photos, and posts that captivate their audience. The exciting part, you can monetize your content in various ways. Here's how to monetize your content. Number one, platform payouts. Popular platforms like YouTube and TikTok offer creator payouts. The more views and likes you get, the more money you earn. Number two, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and include affiliate links in your content. You'll earn commission for every sale you make through your link. Number three, brand deals. Companies may approach you to feature their products in your content, paying you a flat fee for your endorsement. To thrive as a content creator, you must genuinely enjoy the topics you're posting about. Your enthusiasm will shine through and attract a dedicated audience, making it easy to grow your platform and monetizing your efforts. Be ready to turn your passion into profit. Start creating content today and explore the limitless possibilities of this great side hustle. Number four, becoming a video editor. If you enjoy working with videos and have an eye for detail, becoming a video editor could be a fantastic side hustle for you. Video editors can earn around $2,000 a month by editing just 4 videos. Here's how to get started and succeed in this field. 1. Build your profile. Create strong profiles on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Make sure to showcase a portfolio that highlights your editing skills and the range of projects you've worked on. Number 2, learn the tools. Utilize the wealth of free online tutorials available for various editing software such as DaVinci Resolve, iMovie, Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere, and more. Becoming proficient in these tools is essential. Number 3, develop a portfolio. Before you start landing clients, build a portfolio by practicing and creating sample projects. Aim to reach a level of skill where you feel confident showcasing your work to potential clients. Here's a pro tip. Specialize in a niche. To quickly build your clientele and stand out in the market, consider specializing in a specific type of video editing. A great niche to start with is editing videos for YouTube. YouTube videos have a unique style that focuses viewer on retention, and mastering this style can make you a sought-after editor. By focusing on your niche, you can refine your skills, become an expert in your area, and attract clients looking for specialized services. So, where to offer your services? Upwork is a platform where clients post jobs and freelancers bid for them. It's competitive but rewarding once you build a strong profile. Fiverr, here you can create service listings or gigs that clients can purchase directly, and it's such a great way to showcase specific editing packages and attract clients. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of video editing, start building your skills, create a compelling portfolio, and consider specializing in a niche to accelerate your success. On to number 5, which is bookkeeping, which is a fantastic side hustle. If you love numbers, spreadsheets, and the satisfaction of organized financial records, this could be the one for you. Bookkeeping involves basic accounting tasks for small businesses to keep their financial records accurate and up to date. This role is crucial because at the end of every year, businesses need to file their taxes. Their accountants will ask for detailed financial records, including profit and loss statements and balance sheets. It's the bookkeeper who ensures these records are meticulously maintained throughout the year. Why bookkeeping? Always in demand. Tax preparation. All businesses must file taxes, and accurate financial records are essential for this process. Essential for business, knowing their numbers helps business make informed decisions and remain compliant with financial regulations. So then, is bookkeeping right for you? If you enjoy working with numbers, love spending time in spreadsheets, and prefer a job that involves minimal interaction with others, bookkeeping might be the dream side hustle for you. The work can become repetitive, but modern accounting software like QuickBooks, Xerox, or FreshBooks can automate many tasks, making your job easier and more efficient. So, benefits of becoming a bookkeeper. By securing clients on retainer, you can ensure a steady income. Most businesses prefer to stick with reliable bookkeeper, providing you with long-term job security. You also have flexible schedule. Bookkeeping allows you to work on your own schedule, making it a highly flexible side hustle. So here's how to get started. Number 1, create a strong profile. Sign up on platforms like Upwork. Highlight your skills and be specific about the accounting software you're proficient in. Number 2, reach out to local businesses. Approach small businesses in your neighborhood or those you follow online. Offer your services, discuss your rates, and encourage them to give you a trial run. Most business owners find financial management stressful and often avoid dealing with numbers. As an organized bookkeeper, you can relieve this stress and help them maintain clean financial records. If you have the skills, building a regular clientele and earning 3 to 5K a month is entirely achievable, all the while enjoying flexibility of working on your own terms. So, this then is a rewarding and in demand side hustle. Okay, let's move on to number 6, side hustle. This side hustle is quite different from the previous ones we discussed. It's flexible, allowing you to work on your own time, and it's called options trading. What is options trading? Options trading involves buying and selling options to generate profit, similar to trading stocks. However, instead of owning the stock, you own the right to buy or sell it at a specific price within a specific period. There are 2 main types of options. Number 1, call options gives you the right to buy a stock at a specific price. Number 2, put options gives you the right to sell a stock at a specific price. Why choose these options tradings? Unlike stock trading, where making a consistent profit can be challenging, options trading offers strategies that can provide more predictable income. One effective strategy is highly profitable spread trading. High profitable spread trading involves choosing options with strike prices that have a high likelihood of succeeding. Here's how it works. Number one, choose high profitable strike prices. Identify options with a high chance of success. Number two, get paid upfront. When you trade these options, you receive payment immediately. Number three, profit if the stock stays in range. As long as the stock stays within a certain range, you keep the money. Success in this field also demands getting over the initial learning curve and managing the emotions that come with training. Benefits of options trading. Unlike other side hustles, you don't need to find clients. You're your own boss, making your own decisions independently. You've got a flexible schedule, trading on your own time whenever it fits your schedule. Remember, it's essential to educate yourself and practice good risk management to succeed in this field. These side hustles require some initial effort to set up, but once they're up and running, they have the potential to make you a very good flexible income where you can manage at any time, anywhere. It's a smart move to start establishing these, becoming less reliant on a single job and create multiple streams of income. Thank you guys for watching.